There's a lot on your skin, painted gold on your feet. If you're gonna lean into me, make sure you feel the heat.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Do you remember me? Probably not. I haven't been posting any makeup videos since last year, February, I think. Yeah, I gotta get my shit together. I don't really want to get into why I haven't been posting. I created this makeup look for you guys. It's just a half cut crease with lots and lots of glitter. Let me know if you guys like this look and subscribe. For my face, I used the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer and the Fenty Beauty foundation in 240. My skin has been going through a lot. You guys don't want to see that, trust me, you don't want to see that. So I just decided to just cover it up. And for my eyebrows, I am using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony or Ebony. Ebony makes more sense. I still don't know how to say it. Okay, I'm going to start off by prepping my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape. I need a mirror. So my face is starting to crease already, so I'm just going to go ahead and set it with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. And I'm going to be using the Sigma F87 Kabuki brush. Okay, I'm just going to let that bake while I do my eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be using the Revlon Makeup Revolution Rose Gold Chocolate Palette. I'm going to try out this shade right here, which looks pretty decent. Yeah, I think it's a good transition color, so I'm going to go ahead and use that one. I'm going to be using the Morphe M513 brush, and I'm going to be applying that right in my crease. Ooh, okay. Okay, so I'm going to need a darker shade, so I'm going to go into my Morphe MB Bronzed Babe palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Bitch Please, which is this one. I know, I use this palette so much, it looks so beat up right now. I'm just going to take that same brush. We're just applying it to the outer corner. I'm just gonna take a clean brush and use Road Trip, and I'm just gonna deepen the crease a little bit more. Now I'm going to cut my crease with concealer. I'm going to be using another Morphe brush in M421. I'm sure you guys have heard this trick before, but if you apply your concealer about there, and then you just look up, look down, there's your outline. And then tap it off to blend it in together. Okay, going back with the Rose Gold Chocolate Palette, I'm going to be using this champagne color right here. This is, ooh, you can't even see it, Rose Water Hydrating Face Mist by Pearlessence. It smells so good. But but I'm just gonna spray my brush with it. I'm just gonna apply that in my crease. Let's spice it up a little bit and apply some glitter. So I'm going to be using, I don't know where this glitter is from. It's just the champagne color. And I'm going to be applying it with this NYX primer. I've never done a look with so much glitter before. I love it. Okay, so now I'm just going to repeat the same eyeshadow process onto my bottom waterline. Okay, so for mascara, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. For lashes, I'm actually just reusing some lashes that I already had, but I can't remember where they're from. Yeah, I can't remember. I'm just gonna look into that, and if I figure out where these lashes are from, I'm just gonna put them in the description box below. Okay, I need to stop. I freaking love lashes. Like, they just complete your look. Moving on back to our face, I'm gonna be using the Milani Blossom Time Rose blush. I really like this blush because it kind of has a little glow to it, and who doesn't like to glow? I'm gonna be using the Sigma F89 Kabuki brush. I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer to contour my face. Over the top of that, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Dark Chocolate. It smells so good. For highlighter, I'm going to be trying this Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. I got it in the BoxyCharm box for this month, and I haven't tried it, so this is a good opportunity. Okay, I'm just going to mix these two together. They're both looking pretty. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in number 9. It looks like this. I'm going to be using this Milani lip gloss in number 1. Alright you guys, that is it for this look. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that you know whenever I upload my next video. I hope you guys are doing good, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!